It's 7 a.m. now and I'm heading from Colpapampa to another campsite. This is the third day of Machu Picchu hike via Salkantay Pass. So the actual hiking path from Colpapampa is that, there you can see, but unfortunately due to lots of landslide the path has been broken, so we are taking a parallel path which is a road. So this is what we are walking through now, and there you see is a path that should be the hiking one, but there itself you can see there is a landslide, and similarly there are many landslides on the way, so we cannot move forward that way. Here I'm gonna taste some dragon fruit and some fruit called maracuya, and they will also make a juice. Yeah, gracias. So this is homemade ice cream of passion fruit and also of dragon fruit. You must try it when you are passing from Colpapampa towards the next campsite. Just now I picked up some avocados climbing the tree. It was fun. So guys, in front you see is the poor calf which was being troubled by 3 pit bulls. Me and my friend, we had to rescue him. He's bleeding over his legs and near the neck as well, so it's full of blood. It was very pity thing because the owner of the dogs was not doing anything at all. He was just watching it and trying to save his dog from the calf, but not the other way. You can see how in pain it's walking. We could not film the fight of pit bulls with the calf because we were busy in throwing rocks at those dogs to get the calf away from the dogs. The dogs are still behind. We are trying to throw rocks and keep them away. Yeah, it's really very bad. I feel goosebumps thinking about this, how it was. Finally, we have made it to be safe with its family. Even the mouth is bitten. You can see the dog bite marks on the neck, near the ears, face, on the legs. So this is a 3 month calf, and now we are doing the medication. First aid is being done to the calf. That's just the blade. Gracias.
De nada, de nada. Gracias. De nada.
Adiós.
Yeah, adios.
So after 5 hours, finally arrived in Lucmabamba. So this will be the next day path for us to go through hydroelectrica, you can see, towards Aguascalientes. So this is the room in Lucmabamba with a private toilet, and for this I'm paying 50 sols per person, which includes dinner and breakfast. So this is my food in Lucmabamba with a chicken piece and looks like some kind of potato with rice. If you guys have issues in walking or are tired, you can also take collectivos or shared taxi or book a taxi all the way from Colpapampa until Lucmabamba. And when you guys are in Lucmabamba, make sure that after you reach here in the afternoon around 12 or 1 p.m, then you should go for the coffee tour, because that is something which is amazing.